Hello loves, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the December Boxyluxe box from Boxycharm, so if you want to see that, please keep on watching. Alright guys, so first of all, take a look at this. Like, it's pretty big this month. I'm pretty excited. It's really heavy actually. So yeah, I'm super excited to dive into this. Real quick, if you don't know what Boxyluxe is, it is part of the Boxycharm subscription. You have to have an existing Boxycharm subscription, but every 3 months you get this giant box for $50. You get charged $50 instead of the $25 that you usually get charged. I believe it's $25 now. So yeah, so you get charged like $50 and you get like a ton, like 11 or so like full-size products. Trust me, so far they've been well worth it. I'm so excited to see what I got this month. I have videos if you want to check them out. I'll have the whole playlist linked up above, and yeah, so you can see past months if you'd like to. I highly recommend this box, so let's just dive on in and see if this box is as good as the last few have been. When you open it, the first thing I am grabbing is the pamphlet that always comes with it. It tells us everything that's in it, the prices, all that jazz. And I don't know if you can see this, but that is what it looks like inside. So in this month's box, it says like the theme is whimsy. Sorry if this keeps popping up. I just took that down on in there. Ugh. So the first thing I am grabbing out of here is this the Ritual of Sakura. I'm so sorry if I butchered that. I very possibly did. And it's Sensational Foaming Shower Gel made from organic rice milk and cherry blossom. So this says, alright, so it says, give your skin the gift of a new beginning with the foaming shower gel from the Ritual of Sakura, featuring the renewing scent of cherry blossom and organic rice milk. It uses a unique technology to transform the gel into a silky soft cleansing foam. Lather up and luxuriate in the rich and fragrant foamy soap, taking a moment to slow down and renew your energy, and it retails for $9.50. So I don't know if this is any good. I've never used it. I've never even heard of it, but I'm excited to try it. Okay, so the next thing I am grabbing out is this IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. And it looks like this. This is vegan, cruelty and gluten-free, UV protection, petrolatum and mineral oil free, paraben and sulfate free. So very excited about that. I've been needing some new dry shampoo, so I'm excited to try this. I've never tried this exact one, but I'm excited to try it. And it says, a powerful dry shampoo that cleanses the oiliest hair and scalp with oil erasing, odor eliminating charcoal powder, allowing you to go even longer between washes, and it retails for $27. So the next thing I am grabbing out is this Otter London Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher, and mine is in the shade Halo. And let's see what it looks like. Ooh. So the first thing I want to say is this packaging is beautiful. It's really sleek and shiny, and I like it. When you open it up, it's got a little mirror in here, and then this is what the blush looks like. It is an illuminating blush. It is not a matte blush. So that is something to keep in mind. If you don't like illuminating blushes, you probably will not like this, but this is what it says. Add a radiant flush of color to your complexion with Marbled Light Illuminating Blush. Formulated without talc, this lightweight, buildable formula has a blend of matte pigments and finely milled illuminating particles, and it retails for $26. So I'm very, very excited to try this out. I think it looks beautiful. You guys know I love a glowy look, so this is right up my alley, and I'm very excited to try it. yeah. So this next thing I am pulling out, I am so excited about it already. It is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. Oh gosh. Okay, so I got a tiny like sample size of this in an Ipsy bag years ago, like I want to say like 4 years ago, and I loved this. I loved it, but it was, you know, tiny and I used it up real quick. And then I just started like trying other things and stuff and everything, but I've never forgotten how much I love this. And I have repurchased it in the past, so I mean, it's not like that was the only time I ever used it, but I'm so excited to get this because I know I love it. I know it works great. It's so phenomenal for sensitive skin. It's just, it makes your skin feel so smooth, and it gets it, oh my, I can't say enough good things about this. I already know I'm so excited about this. The whole box is worth it already just for this. But in case you don't know what this is, let me tell you what this says. This gel cleanser for all skin types has a cult following for the way it removes makeup, even mascara, without drying for soft, supple skin. It's made with amino acid, rich soy proteins, calming cucumbers extract, and balancing rose water. Sensitive skin, it also soothes and tones, and it retails for $48. I honestly cannot say enough good things about this. This is, guys, this is phenomenal. If you can get your hands on this, whether it's through Boxycharm or just buying it yourself, do it. Oh, I'm so excited I got this. I'm so excited I got this. Okay, so the next thing I am grabbing out of here is this big guy. It is the Fairy Tales Storybook, or the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tales, and this one is Little Briar Rose. Ooh. So I know that there was Briar Rose one, or the Robin Hood one, I believe, was the choices that you could get. This happens to be the one I got. Honestly, I wasn't too picky about which one I got. I mean, I didn't get to pick which one I got, but you know what I mean. Like, this just happens to be the one that ended up in my box, and this is what it looks like. And these colors are beautiful. Oh my gosh, I am excited to play with this. These colors speak to me on such high levels. Look at all those shimmers. Oh, I'm in heaven. Again, you know I love to glow. It does have a mirror on this side, so oh, you know what? Already I've fallen in love with this color down here. It's like a silvery, like almost like a mint, or not like a mint, but almost like a very, very light silver blue. It's called Fairies. That's already my favorite color. I hope it works as good as it looks, because that's so beautiful. But all of them are beautiful. Get ready for some videos, people. Get ready for some videos. I'm super excited already. And this is what this has to say about it. It says, Storybook Cosmetics Little Briar Rose Eyeshadow Storybook Palette is a magical palette featuring a custom hardcover storybook with a dozen highly pigmented matte, metallic, and pearl eyeshadows. The cruelty-free long wear, buttery smooth shadow formula can be used wet or dry. Mix and match to concoct your favorite spell-binding look, and it retails for $55. Oh, I am very excited to play with this. The next thing I am pulling out is this Kat Von D Dagger Tattoo Liner. I know that and this is in color Trooper Black. I know I like her original liner. I think it's awesome. It's really great. But this is her dagger one. It says, experience effortless winged liner looks with an innovative eyeliner specially engineered for easy application on any eye shape, making Dagger Tattoo Liner ideal for all makeup junkies, and it retails for $20, which is the same price as her original eyeliner as well. And okay, so I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see this, but I will try. I know I don't have the greatest lens, and I apologize. I will try to zoom in, but it kind of like, it's got like a slanted tip instead of the normal tip, So that seems to be the big difference. And let me see if I can. Ooh, it's just as black and smooth as the original. So if this, I'm sure that I will love this because I loved the original. So I'm extremely excited about this. And I believe all of Kat Von D's products are now vegan. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm fairly certain that she said she was going to reformulate all of her things so that her entire makeup line was vegan. So if that's something that you that's important to you with makeup, there you go. I'm almost positive. Do your own research, but actually, you know what, I'll even look it up and I'll put it down in the description box, but I'm pretty positive all of her stuff is now vegan. Okay, so the next thing I am grabbing out of here is this Too Faced Melted Metallic Liquid Metallic Matte Lipstick. And mine is in the color Faking It. And it looks like this. And it says, okay, first of all, I just want to say, I thought this, like, ever since the Melteds came out. I love the packaging. I just think it's so cute. Anyways, not the point, Michelle. So, anyways, it says, if I can find it, here we go. Long-wearing, innovative ultra matte lipstick with the staying power of a stain and the intense color of a liquid lipstick. Retails for $21. And this is what it looks like. Ooh. So that is what it looks like. You guys know I love my nudes, so I'm very excited for this. And I love the Too Faced melted lipsticks, so I'm sure it's great. I will, of course, update you guys, but I'm sure it's great. Alright, so the next thing that I'm grabbing is this Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. So this says, a luxurious and lightweight facial oil infused with a precious trio of rose extracts to help smooth the look of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving the skin with a luminous glow. And it retails for $79. You guys know I absolutely love getting skincare. That's like my favorite part. I'm obsessed with skincare. I love Elemis. If you guys have watched my morning skincare routine, you know I do use some Elemis stuff. Not everything is Elemis, but you guys do know that I do use Elemis. Once I get my nighttime skincare routine, you'll see that I have even more Elemis. So I am excited about this. However, I don't know if you saw on Twitter, it was going around Twitter, somebody claimed that they got like a spider or something in their rose oil. I don't think it's true. Like I don't actually know, but I'm just not I don't know. Like, I guess I don't know because I wasn't there when they opened it, but I hope it's not true. But mine does not appear to have a spider in it. So that's good. I can already smell it. It smells like roses. It smells really good. And I'm very excited about this. I'm excited to try it. Again, you guys know I'm obsessed with skincare, so yeah, super excited about this. And I cannot wait to try it out. Alright guys, and the very last thing I'm pulling out of here is this QMS Medi Cosmetics Lip Line Corrector Lip Serum. And this says, formulated exclusively for the upper lip area, lip line corrector targets fine lines and wrinkles. This high-performance lightweight serum is specifically designed to hydrate and plump lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. And this retails for, holy I'm sorry, is that a misprint? That's definitely a misprint, right? Is that real? Just gonna research this. Just give me a minute. Give me a minute. Oh my god. Oh my god. So this retails for $200. What? What? I am literally shocked. $200, people. $200. This pays for like 4 boxes. This pays for like a whole year's worth of boxes. Oh my god. So when I looked it up, and yeah, so I guess this retails for $200. Okay then. Boxycharm, thank you. I was not expecting something like that, but anyways, this is what it looks like. It's $200. I'm really glad I didn't have to pay full price for this. I am excited to try it though, because you guys again know I love skincare. I am so shocked at that price. Oh my god. Oh my god. I need to recover. Alright guys, so that was this month's Boxyluxe. I think it's pretty easy to tell that I am happy with it. I'm very pleased with it actually. I think it's well worth the money. I mean, I paid $55 after like taxes and stuff, and got a lot of stuff. All together, this entire box retails for $485.50. So I am very confident that I got my money's worth this month for sure. This is probably my favorite box, to be honest. Like, I feel like I got the most bang for my buck with this box, and I'm still kind of in shock at, like, especially like that lip line filler. Like, wow, I never in a million years thought that they would send something that expensive in one of these boxes. This is incredible. So if you want to know if I recommend Boxyluxe, yeah, I do. I definitely do. I will put my link down below. It is just my like refer a friend link. I get charms if you click on it. Don't feel obligated to click on it. There are plenty of other YouTubers who actually probably make money if you click on theirs if you'd rather support them. Or you can simply go to boxycharm.com to sign up for your Boxycharm box, or if you're already a Boxycharm member, you can go to boxycharm.com to upgrade to get to the Boxyluxe every 3 months. So yeah, don't feel obligated to use my link. I'm not affiliated. I'm not sponsored. They do not know I exist. So yeah, and that's fine. So I just do these because I genuinely like the boxes. But yeah, so like I said, I am actually very pleased with this box. I will link everything down below. So if you want to just buy these things outright, you absolutely can. And yeah, I mean, there's really nothing more to say. Like, this box was my favorite so far. This was just such a winner. Absolutely 100% pleased with this box. I know that you would be too. And yeah, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. And if you like these videos and want to see more just like them, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you got this box, let me know in the comments down below what your favorite item was from your box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.